Hello guys, my name is Martin and in this tutorial I will show you how to create QR Reader using Vue.js, and in this tutorial I will use Vite for building. You can also use Vue Clio, but I think Vite is much faster and much effective for building, and I will use Vue third version, but I will show you how to create QR Reader using second version and Tailwind CSS. I will use this package for saving your time and saving my time. If you already installed Vue Clio or Vite, you can just skip to this time and let's begin. First of all, we need to clone this Git. I will leave this URL in description, and we need to click code and copy this URL. I will open my text editor. For text editing I am using Visual Studio Code. You can download it for free. Just type in Google Visual Studio Code download. And what I need to do, I need to open folder and find that folder. Okay, which name is tutorial. Okay, select folder. Okay, in terminal I just type npm, oh sorry guys, git clone and paste URL. Wait a little bit. Okay, it's already downloaded. Now I need to open this folder that we cloned. Yeah. Now we need to install node modules from our package.json file by typing npm install. Okay, it's already installed. For testing, we need to start our server by typing npm run dev, npm run development. Okay, as you can see, it's loading and I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. As you can see, you can click next page, back home. And what we need to do now, we need to install a Vue QR Code Reader library. I will leave this URL in description. We need to copy this name. Oh, sorry. Vue free QR Reader. Okay, I think this one. Yeah, I need to copy this name and just open my text editor and type npm install and paste that name. If you're using second version of Vue, you need to type without free like that, but I'm using a third version, I will type like that. Okay, it's already installed. Now guys, we need to write some code. I will go to this folder in views and I'll put my code in home page. I will delete this and this. Now it looks very clean. I will write some Tailwind code to better look. Okay, like that. I just made some padding from left and right. Now we need to write some code. Now we need to import our QR code reader to this component. And how we can do that? We will use QR code stream component and just write some JavaScript. Okay. import the name of component, and from view QR code reader. If you're using second Vue version, you need to write without free, like I said before when you was installing this library. Now we need to append this component in our components and QR code stream. Now what we need to do, we need to display this component in our view, in our template, and we need to find the name of component. Okay, QR code stream, like that. And I just compile the Ctrl+S, and let's see what's happening. Okay, nothing happened, as you can see. I will inspect why it's like that. Maybe we got some errors. Yeah, we got some error. Could not start video source. This is because I'm using my webcam, but we need to display some errors that will say what is problem that your reader is not loading. How we can do that? We need to call event, and events we can find in API reference. Okay, we see events, we have decode, we will use this event later, detect, and this, sorry, I not will use this event, init. Now we need to use init event. Okay, for using event we need to put this symbol and write init equals, and you need to write method name. I will name it on init, and we need to create method in our methods, which name will be on init as we write before, and we will get some information. Promise init is called when before this component is loaded. Okay, we need to get some error names. Okay, as you can see, we have this try and catch error. We can just copy that for saving your time and saving my time. Okay, just some better look. Okay, now we have these errors, and what we need to do, we need to display these errors. First of all, we need to create a new variable in our data. Okay, return, and which name will be error, and I will be an empty string right now. We need to set for our error some value. Okay, we need to do like, oh sorry guys, I will make it in smarter way. Okay, not ready. This error equals like that. Okay, like that. Now we have our error, and we need to display it in our template. Okay, we can just put it in our paragraph and type error. Okay, let's compile this server and let's try again. Nothing happened. Why we didn't got any errors? Let's see our console. Unexpected reserved word. Really? Okay, somewhere I made a mistake. Error on init, data, error, components, so everything fine. On init, okay. like that. I think it will work. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's working, but we got some error. Maybe camera is already in use. Yeah, as you can see, I am using my camera, and I need to turn off for this QR code web view. Okay, let's try again. Restart. And now my camera is loaded, as you can see. Let's try QR code. I need to find my QR code in my phone. Okay, somewhere. Okay, found it. Now let's try to scan it. As you can see, it's scanning, but nothing happening. We need to use one more event, which name is decode equals, and our method name will be on decode, and I will copy that name, and we will get some information. We will get a decoded string information from our QR code, and I need to create one more variable, which name will be decoded string. Okay, I will leave empty string like that, and I will set value for this decoded string to decoded string from QR code component, and let's save. Let's try it's working or not. Okay, nothing happening because I didn't display this on the decoded variable in template. Let's try to put it in our paragraph, decoded string. Let's try again, just save. Okay, as you can see, it's already working. I will restart this, and now as you can see, we got some URL from our QR code. What we can do with this URL, we can redirect it to other page, like other. If you want to redirect, you can just type window, location, replace, and just use decoded string, and I will comment this line knowing I don't need it, and let's try again. Okay, as you can see, it's redirecting, and we are redirected to this URL. And what we can do more with this component, we can use flashlight. We can turn off and turn on flashlight. I need to go to documentation, and as you can see, we have properties. Yeah, we need to use properties. We have track property, and we have camera property to turn on, okay, to change camera, and we have torch property. We will use torch property for flashlight to turn on and turn off. If we type, we need to pass a boolean, true or false. False means flashlight off, and true means flashlight on. Now what we need to do, we need to write that property. Torch equals, I will name it torch. Okay, we need to create torch variable. Torch equals false. Right now I will leave it false. Flashlight off, and I will make button for turn off or turn on flashlight. Button, we call event click, and on click we can change torch to negative torch. If torch is true, will be changed to false, or if torch is false, will be changed to true. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is not home page. Okay, yeah, I didn't put any name for button, any variable. Okay, how we can name it? Turn on off flash light. Okay, like that. And let's try again. As you can see, nothing happening because I don't have flashlight in my computer. If you will use your phone, it will work. Yeah, guys, this is everything that you can do. You also can see more things in this documentation. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, you can click like and subscribe, and have a nice day.